What about now? It's on?
You're up.
You're up. All right, you guys, so again, we're at Somerset Collection, and we just visited a couple of stores today. We just wanted to see what they have in for spring. And you guys, of course, I want everything. Let's just be clear. I'm that girl. I want all the things. I want all the shoes, bags, some clothes pieces, but definitely accessories. So you guys, Amanda's gonna help me out today. You guys don't know who Amanda is, I'll insert her picture from her social media because she is single. No, just kidding.
Like going back to Louboutin, what's your favorite shoe that you tried on and why would you buy it?
2. You mean when I'm gonna buy it?
Exactly.
2. So 2 shoes I tried on, Miss Z.
Yeah.
So for me, I know the slide with the open toe is most popular, but for me, I would probably pick the slingback, the lower heel, like kitten heel slingback. The blue is gonna be everything for spring. And I think it's a timeless shoe because even if the color alone stood by itself, it would be great. And then my other favorite, which I would invest in, 2 things. The feather one, definitely, because I'm a feather girl. And I feel like it's such a statement shoe, right? If you're wearing this shoe, you're going somewhere. Like even if it's jeans or something like that, I think.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I think so. But the other shoe, which one was the beige one that was the most comfortable?
Rosa Lee. No, Rosa
Z.
100.
Rosa Z100. Those were the like tan taupey color ones. Neutral shoe. Those shoes go with anything and everything. And they were comfortable. So that was the part that I really liked about them. If we're picking the 2 shoes, I'm gonna do the Miss Z slingback lower heel because I could just see me as like some high-waisted black, like cropped trousers with like a nice clean blouse tucked in, like maybe like a little blazer, give them a little sunglass indoor moment. And then the new one, definitely I would just wear all the time because I have a good nude sandal already from Stuart Weitzman, but those gave me more like around the front of the foot, a sling around the back. I don't have to worry about strapping them. So that was probably the part that I liked the most. Where did we go after that? Oh, we went to Mad Nice. Mad Nice is over at the Somerset Collection. You guys definitely need to check it out.
Drinking, what's your go-to drink?
First, I'm a lavender latte girl, but I actually have been like pistachio. So pistachio lattes are my drink. I just think for spring, it's back to the shoe part. I'm a girl that loves a statement and timeless. If I could get both, and you can't get both. For me, I know my wardrobe is it could be a little bit, I go to events, so sometimes I lean more into the statement pieces, but realistically, I am a basic wardrobe kind of girl. I just have all these like pieces that kind of elevate my looks. If that makes sense. We did go to Montclair. They still have a lot of stuff out for winter, but you can see them transitioning into spring from the colors. Like the colors are good. Like they have like the blue again, like we talked about. Sunglasses, their sunglasses are good. What else did they have in there? On the way in, it was a really cute cardigan, a men's cardigan. And I've already told you guys, we're taking over the men's section. So the cardigan with the Montclair M on it, we did go to Tappers.
How'd you like the watch you tried on?
So there's a couple huge events for me this year coming up. 2 in particular. That's how I feel about the watch. Hands down, I need this watch. I should have got the watch a year and a half ago when I was like in the store and fawning over it.
So what would be like your investment piece just for spring? Not even the whole year, but maybe your clients are gravitating towards that you feel is like a must-have need.
So lately I've been gravitating towards more flats. I feel like a lot of times people have that hard transition from winter to spring, meaning I get tons of questions about what shoe am I gonna wear? Because most of the time that's where looks fall flat. Usually in the wintertime, it's the coats and the outerwear, but springtime is definitely the shoes. So for me, I think I have been getting into and investing in good flats. When I mean flats, I mean loafers and pointed toe shoes. Like the pointed toe, and then now they're bringing back the more pointed with the square front. I've been seeing those a lot. I actually ordered a white pair. We'll insert so you guys can see. My husband wasn't a fan because he said they look long, but he didn't see the vision at all, Amanda. He was, move away. I don't have the right outfit on. You know, when you don't have the right look what you're wearing with the shoe, it just was, I'm keeping the shoes. But I love that they're bringing kitten heels back. A lot of people may be like, you do? I do, because it is the most comfortable way to still look chic. Think about it. You have on some pants, whether cropped jean or like a dress pants, or it just elevates it, like a sling back. I don't have to get down and strap my ankles into the shoe. I'm an ankle strap girl because for me, an ankle strap shoe or sandal makes my foot look better, makes my legs look better. But the sling back with a smaller heel, I'm not against it. I'm actually loving them. I'm loving the colors. They're doing like the blues, the yellows. They're bringing white back strong. White is coming back. It's not called white, it's called... Sam, what's the white color for the season called? Cloud Dancer. Insert, she teaches dance for children. Let's be clear on Amanda's position here. Soon as spring arrives, we can definitely start like wearing these pieces. I think that I told you earlier, I've been wearing the heck out of, those loafers are cute. Who made those? What are these?
Amazon, I'll send you the link.
Recent Amazon?
Yeah, like I bought them.
Those look like YSL.
Yeah, I bought them.
Put your foot down. Don't keep flinging this back and forth. Amanda, okay, I'm finding them on Amazon for us. I'll put them here. I know, don't talk about us. We can't, listen, we have to be strategic on the things we buy. I just told her that I have been rocking my Zara loafers. I've been rocking these, so I am definitely investing in besides those that Amanda have on, I'm gonna get those, but I'm gonna invest in another pair. I feel like I need more pants. Like I look at my pants section of my closet and there's so many colors and textures, but like a good black high-waisted, Zara's had a pair, high-waisted, cropped, where I can wear my loafers and these sling-back flats that I want. So that's kind of what I think I'm gonna invest in, the pants. But definitely accessories is where I always usually land with spending my most money. Accessories elevates looks. It takes some basic outfit and makes it from day to night just by changing your accessories. I definitely feel like I think people don't realize how much the shoe, the bag, the watch. Okay, maybe that's just me with the watch. The shoe, the bag, the earrings, like even like a nice statement earring, hair pull back. Literally for me, I think it's 90. Okay, I'll do 85 just to be clear. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you have even if you have a statement piece, like say you're wearing a huge statement skirt or statement top, the accessories is what makes this look balanced. Like you wouldn't just do like, oh, over the top earrings, or maybe you would do like a subtle gold bold earring with like this green turtleneck kind of boulder shoulder top, or like a blue, like what's the blue called? What did she say it's called? Because we know Cloud Dancer.
Cloud Dancer, and then was it Dream Blue?
I think we just made that up.
Ice Melt.
We totally we should remember ice melt because it snowed here in Michigan Saturday and we're waiting for the ice to melt. So we should remember that. It's a really good blue though. I do like interesting. Louboutin, you guys check out their handbags. They did something different. And the handbags they were good. Like it was like a longer handle over like a little, one was the bigger one, which would fit more like iPads. That would be like our work bag. But then they had a smaller one for going out. It was good. We didn't check the price on that though, but I'll link everything. They said the tote was like their most popular bag and now people are transitioning over. I can see that because the bags are giving Ro, Kate, are literally The leather was good. Who else did we see had a bag? Oh, we went into Aloe just to pop in there because I really don't go in there a lot. And they had these bucket bags. Now, I didn't turn it around to see if Aloe was on the other side of it because that's the only part I wouldn't like. But it was embossed in the bag. It wasn't like sticking out. It was kind of like subtle, but I still could see it. But they had like some good like drawstring bucket bags. They had like a travel tote. The travel tote was very nice. And I believe they were all leather. They had like a blushy rose color, which I think that's one of the colors for the season too. Like in that pinky, but it's like more muted, like a more rosy to color. They had that in a like jogging pants and a top, I think I saw. That's some cute stuff. But I do need these companies to start making for tall girls. They think a 32 is tall. No. 34 is where we land with the length. So that's I want to put that out here. I'm making a public service announcement that we need pants for taller girls. Like joggers, all the things. Like I don't want to have to just always depend on getting my joggers that has like the elastic at the ankle. I want to get it more.
That's fair.
But I think that's a good one. But those are my thoughts about Somerset today. We covered a lot. Again, my name is Tamala. I land in the area of beauty, fashion, and style, and I am here to help. If you like having discussions like this, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you soon.